Many people spend years wondering why staying organized, focused, or consistent feels harder for them than for others. They may blame themselves for procrastination, distraction, or forgetfulness. But sometimes these struggles have a neurological explanation. Let's talk about how ADHD is diagnosed, the common signs, the tests involved, and what you can expect during the process. Number 1. Recognizing the signs of ADHD. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder affects the brain's executive functioning system. This system helps with planning, prioritizing, and following through on tasks. Common signs include difficulty focusing, forgetfulness, losing track of time, impulsivity, and feeling overwhelmed by large tasks. These challenges often appear in childhood, but may continue into adulthood. ADHD can also create inconsistent attention. Some people struggle to start routine tasks but can become intensely focused on activities that feel interesting or urgent. This pattern can be confusing and often misunderstood. Number 2. The evaluation process. An ADHD diagnosis usually begins with a clinical assessment by a licensed professional. This may include questionnaires about your symptoms, medical history, and daily functioning. Providers often ask about childhood experiences, school performance, and patterns of attention or behavior over time. There isn't a single laboratory test for ADHD. Instead, clinicians use structured interviews, standardized rating scales, and diagnostic guidelines to determine whether symptoms match the criteria for ADHD. Number 3. What happens after diagnosis? For many people, receiving a diagnosis brings relief and clarity. It helps explain lifelong patterns and opens the door to effective support strategies. Treatment may include behavioral strategies, coaching, therapy, or medication when appropriate. These tools help improve focus, organization, and emotional regulation. ADHD doesn't mean you're lazy or incapable. It simply means your brain processes attention and motivation differently. At SDKare, our licensed providers offer ADHD evaluations and treatment through confidential telehealth sessions. From assessment to personalized care plans, we help you understand your brain and build systems that support your success. Clarity is the first step toward change. Book an appointment at sdkare.com. SDKare, simple, dedicated care for your mind, body, and the way your brain works.